My name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and welcome to the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today's episode is the internet-famous 2-ingredient bagels, which is an old Weight Watchers recipe. However, we're going to be making the full-fat versions. Or you can substitute whatever sort of yogurt you want. So the 2 ingredients that you need is self-rising flour, and that is crucial. It needs to be self-rising flour, or else you're just going to end up with cooked Play-Doh. Self-rising flour and Greek yogurt is what I recommend. You can also use plain yogurt, whatever you have in the house. I wouldn't recommend the mixed or fruit yogurts. Those have a lot of sugar in them, and it'll probably end up burning your bagels. So you want to go plain, and then you can flavor them later. Plain Greek yogurt, self-rising flour, just those 2 ingredients. We're going to combine those together to get our dough. So we've used 2 cups of flour. Whoop. And 1 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use the fat-free or whatever you would like in yours. Alright. And what every good baker knows is that in the kitchen, your 2 best utensils are your hands. When it gets to about this consistency, you're probably going to have to move over to your hands. Alright, when you're done, your dough should form a rough ball like this, and then we're going to lightly dust our surface here with a little bit of, again, the self-rising flour. Perfect. Plop that down there. Okay. We're going to flatten it out into a rough circle shape. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut it into about 4 equal parts. And then, I know you all remember this, get to make Play-Doh snakes again. Birdman's favorite activity. Alright guys, now you could be done here and just stick your bagels in the oven 20 minutes at 350 degrees, or you can hit the optional part. You're going to want to do the optional part. Butter these up a little bit. And then guys, you can spice it up however you'd like. One of my favorites to use is the everything spice from Trader Joe's, but you can do anything you'd like. Alright, now we're going to pop those in. Alright guys, these are about done. They are done. Go ahead and check them out. Let them cool first, and then you can split them, and you have a perfect bagel. Relatively healthy and simple. Thanks for joining us for another episode of the Quaranteened Cooking Show. And I'll see you next week when we turn these bad boys into pizza bagels. I may eat all of them before then, so they might be other bagels.